Welcome to Lisbon's Estrela District. We came to Lisbon last year and fell in love with the city. We enjoyed it so much, we returned this year for a month. We've traveled all around Lisbon now, and we feel like Lisbon experts. If you're looking for a way to spend a great day in Lisbon, then exploring the Estrela neighborhood should be definitely on your list. We're going to show you the highlights of our fun day. And we'll show you the beautiful Estrela Park, the Estrela Basilica, and then we walked to LX Factory, which was so amazing, and then we visited Pretty Green Street. By the end of the video, you'll see why Estrela neighborhood should be part of your itinerary. Okay, so we're just heading down the street here, and we're heading to Estrela. Gonna find the tram, the famous 28 tram, and Estrela's got a cathedral, actually a basilica, beautiful park. Maybe we'll end up on Green Street. So let's get on our way to Estrela. So we are in Estrela, or Jardim Estrela Park. Gorgeous park. It's kind of a little hidden gem, about, I don't know, 10-minute tram ride from the main areas of the downtown in Lisbon. We took a tram here, and it's, as I say, it's a hidden gem. It's like being in the tropics. It's absolutely beautiful. We're going to take a walk around here and check this park out. I think there's some cafes and some other things, but let's take a look. Just take the time when you're here to sit back, relax, have yourself an espresso and a tart, and just enjoy the beautiful park. Alright, so we were about to go into the Basilica, Estrela Basilica, right behind me there. It's supposed to be a minor basilica, but we'll take a look, but it's a beautiful, the front is right across from the Jardim Estrela Park, so it's easy walking distance. So we're here now, let's go take a look, but it promises to be beautiful. Step inside and marvel at the breathtaking interiors of this basilica. Built in the late 18th century, this Baroque masterpiece is a feast for the eyes. The golden altars, colorful tiles, and peaceful atmosphere make it a perfect spot for reflection. Now let's take a walk to LX Factory. LX Factory is where industrial charm meets creative energy. Once a textile factory, this lively hub is now a canvas for stunning street art, unique boutiques, trendy cafes, and delicious restaurants. So next time you're in Lisbon, make sure Alex Factory is on your radar. The last stop on this Estrela excursion is colorful Green Street. Green Street is a small, enchanting area where charm meets greenery. Make sure to stop at a quirky cafe for a delicious cocktail or a quick bite. As our fun day exploring Estrela comes to an end, I think you can see why visiting this charming neighborhood should be part of your itinerary. Make sure to check out another one of our Lisbon travel guide videos to help plan your next Lisbon adventure. Hey, remember, keep traveling and stay curious.